Local leader of Khasi community KP Pandya, teachers and students of Rai Mensa Upper and Secondary School are felicitating Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and other dignitaries present on the dais. A traditional headgear of Garu, Putit, and Garu Gamusa, Gandu Makal. মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীদ্বয়ক সম্বৰ্ধনা জ্ঞাপন কৰাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ মঞ্চৰ বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিসকলক তেখেতসকলে আদৰণি সম্ভাষণ জনাব। গাৰোসকলৰ সন্মানৰ প্ৰতি গান্দু মাকাল আৰু পুটিত हेडगियर संबोधना ज्ञापन करार पिछते यहाँ उपस्थित दोनों माननीय मुख्यमंत्री को सम्मानित करेंगे अभी। साथ ही उपस्थित विशिष्ट अतिथियों को सम्मानित करेंगे। गोरखा जातिर स्वाभिमाনৰ प्रतीक सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट, सिंबल ऑफ सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट ढाका टोपी, symbol of bravery, Kukuri, Khoda, symbol of respect, Gorkha traditional Gamusa, Khoda, Aro Ohomia Fulan Gamusa, Aro impeccable treasure of Assam folk culture, Horaide, Hokoluke Adorani Homakon Janaise.
At the very outset, I would like to thank Dr. Himanta for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit, to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have, and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Langpih area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is like an elder brother to me, and myself, we decided that we need to do something about this. We decided that yes, this may be a very, very complex problem. There may be a lot of emotions, but it is our duty as leaders of the states to try and find a way forward. if we don't try, if we don't move forward, we will be failing in our responsibility that you, the people of Assam and Meghalaya, have bestowed on both of us. And with this sense of responsibility and commitment that we are here today, as a goodwill gesture, as a confidence building measure, to tell the people of this area that both the governments of Assam and the governments of Meghalaya are committed to finding a solution, an amicable and respectful solution to this very, very long pending demand or long pending issue that has caused large amount of suffering to the people of these areas. I once again thank all the concerned officials and, more importantly, the public that has come here, and once again would like to urge each and every one of you that we need to work together to find an amicable solution. This is not a simple task, this is not an easy task, but I keep telling the people in Meghalaya that it is this government in Meghalaya and the government led by Dr. Himanta in Assam that has dared to take this issue up. No other government had dared to take this issue up because they were worried about the political consequences. But we are not here to think about the political consequences of what we do or don't do. But we are here to ensure that the difficulties that our people are facing, the challenges that our people face, we as responsible leaders would want to find a solution to this. And therefore, even if this is a very, very important and very difficult challenge, we have dared to take this up. And with all your blessings, I am sure that we will be able to amicably find a solution to the long pending border dispute between the two states. With these few words, thank you all. May God bless each and every one of you. Kublai Shibun, Matela, thank you, Dhanyavad, and Jai Hind.
Regional committees on both the side, and regional committees have started their work on 6 disputed sites. 1 minister from government of Assam and 1 minister from government of Meghalaya, together with the team, with the regional committee constituted with the members across the political line, has started visiting those disputed sites. Today, I am very happy to inform you that we have already concluded the visit of 6 disputed sites, and they have taken, both the committees has taken the views of the people, they have considered the administrative contiguity and all other factors, and I am of the view that the committee is going to submit their report soon to the respective chief ministers. One, we have the report will be given by either Airtel or Reliance, neither by the both the government. Should we fight for that? Now people of Langpih need electricity. Our children has a right for education. We have a right for better roads. Are we going to stop each other? I think we have to create confidence building measures here. Today we have tentatively decided, not finally, that whenever some schemes will come from central government, like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Saubhagya Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, collectively, both the Deputy Commissioner will discuss along with the public representative from both the sides, and we will try to see so that we can give maximum benefit of the central government schemes to the people of Langpih, where irrespective of his caste, creed, nationality.